Let's fix FaceTime activation error. Now, if you're trying to activate your FaceTime and it's just not working, maybe it's stuck or stalling on the activation, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get that fixed. Now, you might be seeing an error that looks kind of like this. It says FaceTime activation. An error occurred during activation. Try again. So it doesn't really give you much information. Basically just says there's some random error. You want to try again. So the nice thing is that we can go into a web page, and Apple has a web page on activation errors for FaceTime. So it says if you can't sign in to FaceTime, you might be getting these errors waiting for activation unsuccessful, an error occurred, could not sign in, etc. You want to do a few different things. It says check your device settings. The first thing is to check that you have a good internet connection. So let's go to a different page and we'll just type in speed test here and hit run speed test. So we'll check our internet connection to see if you have a good and stable internet so that you can connect to the FaceTime servers and activate your device. So after you've done that, let's go back. It says the next thing we'll do is go to general, settings general, and then date and time, and to check and see if that date and time is set automatically or if it's in the past or future. So let's go into settings and we'll tap on general and then date and time. Now on here, if this is turned off, set automatically, and you maybe change the date to sometime in the future or the past, that could just cause issues with that activation. So you just want to toggle that on so that it will automatically set whatever the exact date and time is along with the time zone. So once we've done that, let's go back here. It says the next thing is to just go into settings, FaceTime, and toggle it off and then on. So let's do that. Let's go into settings. We'll go back, and we'll go down to FaceTime. We'll toggle it off, wait for a bit, and then toggle it back on. So by toggling it back on, it should activate, and then you can see here it takes a few seconds to activate, but it shows up with all of your phone number and email address that you can be reached at through FaceTime. Now, if this doesn't work, let's go on to the next step. We'll go here and it says you can restart your phone, and then if it's still not activating, it might take up to 24 hours to activate. So keep in mind, even if you've toggled that on and everything's working, it could take up to 24 hours to work. But it says the last step that you can do is just to force restart your phone. So let's tap and hold the volume up, the volume down, and then we'll tap and hold the power button. So volume up, volume down, and then tap and hold power. We'll just slide to power off your phone or just keep holding and it will force restart your phone. And then you can just turn it back on, and at that point, it should work. Your FaceTime should be activated and working as normal so you can make any kind of audio or video calls. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.